are going to learn art and craft activity for grade 2.
Today's activity number 15, doodle birds. Doodle in the cages to draw birds. Make them look funny, scary, happy and excited. Whatever you feel like. Learn to control your hand movements. First we have to draw eyes. Step 1. Then step 2. Then step 3. Now we have to trace with the black sketch pen. Same way we are going to draw in these cages. In this way we have to complete the whole picture.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Stay home, stay safe.